Did you know that there are over 30 satellites flying around Earth right now, helping us find our way? That's how GPS works. GPS helps you find your way no matter where you are. It stands for Global Positioning System and works like a magical compass using satellites to pinpoint your location. Today, at Absolute Kids, we're going to learn how to use it step by step during this holiday season. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Maps app. First, grab a smartphone or tablet and open a Maps app like Google Maps or Apple Maps. When the app opens, you'll see a big map on the screen. That little blue is you. It shows where you are right now. Step 2. Type in where you want to go. Next, you need to tell the GPS where you want to go. At the top of the screen, there's a box called the search bar. Tap on it and type the name of the place you want to visit, like 82 Division Nigerian Army. Once you type it in, press the search button. The map will show you the place with a red marker. It even tells you how far away it is. Step 3. Choose how you want to travel. Now, you need to tell the GPS how you're getting there. Are you walking, riding a bike, or driving? You can zoom in or zoom out of the page for easy navigation. Step 4. Follow the directions. Here comes the fun part. Let the GPS guide you. It will show a line on the map that shows your path. It will also tell you what to do, like turn right in 200 steps or go straight until you see the big tree. You can also listen to the GPS voice if it's turned on. Just follow the instructions carefully. Step 5. Spot landmarks on your way. As you follow the GPS, look around you. See if you can find landmarks like big signs, buildings, or fountains. These are helpful to know you're going the right way. And spotting them can make your trip more exciting. Step 6. You've arrived. When the GPS says, "You've arrived," hooray, you made it. Now you can explore your destination, whether it's a park, a playground, or a fun holiday market. Enjoy your time and have fun. And that's it. You're now a GPS expert. Isn't that awesome? Remember, always be safe when you're out and about. Let a grown-up be with you. And if you ever get lost, don't worry. Just find a safe spot and ask for help. And hey, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel so we can keep learning cool stuff together. See you next time. Bye.